Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, that is Sparkling Spear, and I am Kamya, your go-to handmade jeweler. So today we are going to continue with our topic, that is trends in jewelry, and that too in India. First thing is temple jewelry. The temple jewelry, which is inspired by South Indian temples, is preferred right now and is a in thing. Kundan and Polki. Well, Kundan and Polki will always be a favorite when you have to make a statement with your bold Kundan pieces. Yes, they will always be there. Contemporary jewelry like the oxidized finish jewelry is also an in thing right now, which will up your game and your style by a notch definitely. With your classy kurtas, suits and salwars, even for your daily wear. The oxidized jewelry will always stay in trend. Layering necklaces. Yes, layering necklaces is a in thing, which you can adjust by styling from your chokers to the long chains on necklaces which you have. You can always style with these things. Then the next thing is traditional motifs. Yes, traditional motifs like elephants, peacocks, flowers are always gonna be popular because of their cultural reasons. Fusion jewelry. Yes, blending Indian and Western style of jewelry will help you in your game of styling your jewelry and getting an edgy feel. The next thing is handcrafted jewelry. Thread work, fabric work, jewelry which is made from jute are in thing for various reasons, for personal comfort or lightweight or being colorful and trendy. Yes, trendy. They are trending right now. The next is statement earrings, statement rings, statement necklaces. Well, if you want to make a bold statement, these are the things which you have to go for. You can have one piece which just overpowers everything and it will make your day. The next is pearl jewelry. Well, will always be considered as a classic. Yes, a classic. Whether it is traditional or contemporary, in both styles, pearl jewelry will always stand out. The next is traditional jewelry. Yes, traditional jewelry will always be there. Whether it is pearl jewelry or the gold pieces which you will just love to have. Yes, they are there. Not just a statement, but yes, a royal feeling, wow, wondrous thing which you have to have for every wedding or a festivity at home. For the Indian lady, yes, these jewelries will always be there at heart and will always have a place in their wardrobe. Well, these are the styling trends which are there in India right now for the jewelry section. Well, if you like this video, please comment and like it and share it with your friends and family. Also, if you have not subscribed till now, please subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us and be a part of this community by following us on Instagram and Facebook. Also, you can visit www.sparklingspear.com to check out the collection which is there on the website. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Meet you again. Bye.